Hello everyone and welcome back to the techystack channel. So today we are trying to explore one more new topic. So this is not related to the coding things. So recently we have got ChatGPT and Google Gemini. Most of the things are there. So when you go on to generate there, they have some limitation, like you can generate only 10 images or 20 images or 30. I don't know what is extent. And if you take the some purchase, so then it has some limits, some credits are it's giving. So I found one thing, so which we call ComfyUI. So it can generate the unlimited videos and unlimited images as well. So you can go to this website, just comfy.ai. So you can download. So once you download now, you can able to see this file. One second. So you can able to see this file. It will be looks like this. So once you open it, I mean basically it downloaded with the zip format and it has some 3 to 4 GB. And once you open this, you can see this everything stuff is ready. So here you can run with CPU or GPU. So I have the GPU with my machine, so I will go with GPU. So once you open this one, so it will launch this one web page like this. And inside we have the multiple templates are there, so we can use hug faces and a lot of the stuff for inside. I will show you one by one, and this is completely free. But the thing is, so we need must run on some GPUs. So if GPU is very less, then it won't run. So now it got opened. So already I created one sample template which I worked for earlier. So you can give the, I mean, or else you can go to here, templates are there. So one second. So you can go with lot of templates are there. So each template having some kind of MBs. I will show you that as well later. Just for example, if you want to design like this kind of things, you can just select this template. Once you select this template, now automatically it will open, and you can see it's 1.7, sorry, 7.71 GB is there. So this is the file required for that to run the particular things. So like this, you can go with the multiple stuffs. So I will show you one more thing. If you want to generate the videos, so you can generate unlimited videos. So for this also, for example, if you select this 1 to 14B, 14B nothing but has a 14 billions of data. So it extract the, I mean, it created the image based on our text. So already I downloaded, but it was not working in my machine. It's saying, it says that out of RAM. Already I have downloaded every stuff is there. So if you not downloaded not, then it will ask this stuff. So we need to download this and that. So once you download this one, now you cannot directly go and keep. You need to go to this text encoder. For example, if you go inside, so ComfyUI, and after this we have the one more URL. So we need to found that models. Under that model, so what is this text encoder? So you can see this text encoder. So in this place we need to put the file. Actually I download this, but still it's not reflecting because I not saved properly. So that is the reason. So now like this we have multiple templates, not only a single thing. So you can use multiple templates, 3D model, LLM, big models are there. So we need to import everything. So as of now I not import because my machine not supporting those stuff. So I just use this only the image which has supporting somewhat level, not the huge impact, but it's generating somewhat level. So now I will go back to this same template. So once you download this model, any model now, so automatically it was predefined. No need to do any changes in this code. For example, I will go here now. So already it has all the connections has been pre-built. So just one thing is you need to add the prompt as per the requirement. So this is the one. So for example, if I want to do one image, a boy eating a pie chocolate, for example. Okay, it will take some time because my RAM also it's not that much use, and GPU also not that much use, so it will take some time. So how you can get to know? So here it is seeing, you can see this running is a running job. You have the one running job. So like that we can design multiple things, but the thing is you need more CPU or might be the GPUs. So it depends upon what you are doing. If you go with the CPU, it will take more time. If you go with GPU, it will be bit faster, and your RAMs should be very high, and SDD slots, these are all mandatory for the requirements. So now it's running. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I will show you one more stuff. So there is a one thing I found which we called. So you can run this in run pod. I mean, this is some cost as well again. So go to this run pod. Okay, I will just type here itself. So http, yeah, this one. So this is a kind of what you say, it's just a kind of cloud. So you can go and log in this stuff here, and you can generate what you want. So the same things you can deploy the whatever I showed that one. So you can deploy here, but this is a charted one again. How we can do this one means you can go to the server, not this. Service repos. This one I not used, so just when I searching I got to know. So pots. So when you see these parts, so it has some setup already. It has been. So my reference is you can go with RTX 5090, which is the topmost of this all. And based on this, this is not mandatory. If you want to go, you can trial with this, just a kind of explore the things. So after this, you can build this. It can charge us per hour $0.8. So when you're using that time only, it will charge us amount. Rest of the things you need to once you log in now, so safely should log out. Then if you not log out properly, the amount will be charges. So like this, if you do this one, then you have the some kind of server is there. On that server, you can deploy the same everything. So see this, I'm getting this issue. So I will try to regenerate one more time. Okay, server log. So I will try to run one more time if working well and good, else issue with this GPU only. So previously I run with the normal one. Now I'm using GPU fast somewhat accumulated. So we have the multiple types are there. So you can go and do experiment on it. So I will try to run it one more time. We'll see whether it will work or not. So once everything is done, so you can see this image on this layer. Okay, so one more thing, while you are running this program, you should not open much. So that's why it's not triggered properly. So that's why it's got hanged. So you see here it got hanged. My other will work. That's again depends upon the things. So now it's running. So I will just keep like that only. Once this generated, now I will show it back to you. So finally it got done. And you can see this, it has almost, it will take approximately 146.83 seconds. So this terminal, how it's open means, so when you open here one thing which is related to GPU or CPUs now, so that time only the command prompt will open. So everything you can see in this term. And finally you got the image like this. So I given the image like a boy eating pie chocolate. So the same thing it gives is the image. So this is generated by the this application ComfyUI. So this is generated by the AI. So you can see this one stuff. So like this, you can generate multiple images and multiple videos as well as a 3D everything. Only the thing is you need huge CPUs and this stuff. Then only we can able to achieve. Share your comments on this content. Thank you.